no one
weird
is
TV
thinking
screen.
no one is thinking 3D
Right.
about anything
Yeah.
in the universe. And now that we have 3D information, you get to work on your 3D printing.
And you can represent it, 3D print it, hold a version in your hand, which is great. Again, if you're blind or low vision and you want tactile exploration of your data, it just gives you another avenue, and it's very exciting.
And so you just have people exploring this, be they sighted or not.
Yes.
It still has value
Yeah.
in a 3D space.
Yeah, actually Cassiopeia A was the first one that we'd ever done using observational data into a 3D model.